What have you done for us? In a small village, there lived a boy named Ollie with his father. Ollie's father worked very hard every day as a laborer to provide food, clothes, and school fees for Ollie and his younger siblings. One day, feeling frustrated, Ollie said to his father, "Dad, what are you doing for us? You just keep working while we play." His father wiped his tired hands and smiled, saying, "Son, I work for you so that you can do what I could never do. I want to educate you, keep you healthy, and make a path for your future." Ollie thought for a moment, then held his father's hand and said, "Dad, I understand now. You have done everything for us, and we will be grateful for your sacrifices." That day, Ollie learned that a father's hard work and sacrifices are never easy, and true love is often hidden in quiet, tireless effort.